Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, people. Right, let's answer some questions. Does a cold start in the morning wake the neighbours up? Everyone's asleep. Fuck me, that is loud, isn't it? Oh, the birds have woken up. Alright, let's not piss them off too much. What's this bike? I'm riding at night time or early morning when it's dark. Weather's a bit shit this morning, a bit wet, a bit damp. Seems okay. Actual lights on. Come on, Jesus fucking Christ! Could you go any bloody slower? It's nice having the heated grips on. Bit of comfort in the morning when it's a bit cold. Let's see if I can find a road that's not lit up. So lights are on. I mean, it's not great. You can still see. Probably doesn't come across on the camera that well because it's quite dark, but if I'm going down here now, it's dark, blasted up. It sort of blasts the air more, doesn't it, up here than longer in the road. I suppose with the flipping thing being so high in the air, when you're pointing down it's fine, but when you're just riding along, the normal lights are probably better. So I'll move out of the way. Fair bit of water and spray around here. Oh, there's one thing, you do get wet on this bike. Half a mudguard missing, gets a lot of spray. Can you floor it in the wet? Certainly can. Oh, look at that, perfect. Even if it's dark and wet, you still can't help but ride this thing like a flipping hooligan. Watch it on the older, on the torque there, trying to accelerate when it's wet. Touring mode definitely helped there with the electronics. Third gear now, can it still pull at the revs? Alright, yes it can, no issues or problems there. Can you still give it some while it's wet? Let's see. Wet brake test. Oh, stops fine. Can you fit between the traffic and gaps? Can you filter? Just about. Oh, that's a bit tight. Can you get through that? Oh, yes, just about. What's it like off the lights in the rain? Let's find out. Still works. Can you change the riding mode on the fly? Let's have a look. It's an old sport. Select, close the throttle. Yep, So just got back, might as well do a quick filth check on the bike. This is what happens when you ride in the rain and the wet. There is crud and turd and wet shit everywhere. It gets everywhere. Back end of that. It's terrible. It's also just rough as shit. I suppose this is the nature of riding in the UK. I mean, look at that. Filth. Yeah, I mean, how wet? I mean, this stuff, my trousers are soaking wet. My arse is wet. My upper body is, I mean, these Gore-Tex seem to be doing alright, but I can feel my arse a bit. I don't know why my arse is so wet. But yeah, fun and games. Alright, take it easy.